Good morning, guys. Welcome back. I'm back in my usual morning walk in one of the quiet villages near our community. And just for you to get the look and feel of this village, let me just pan my camera. Okay, so last time I was able to clock in at 13,580 steps because the weather was good, although a bit smog with all the burning trashes nearby, and but I was able to cover a lot of areas. So let's just hope that the weather will be better today so I can cover more areas, and let's see how far my feet would bring me and how many number of steps will I be able to clock in today. Okay, see you.